Hey guys, today I will attempt to sublimate on flock vinyl. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And by the way, I got this image off of Etsy. First, I'm going to head over to Cricut Design Space where I have the image already uploaded. Here I'm just creating an offset around it at 0.25, and I'm going to change the color of it to a light pink. And now I'm going to size it to 6.75 by 8, and I'm going to hit make it. By the way, I mirrored the image. Now I'm just going to print it. Now here I'm laying the image on the mat, and I'm going to load it into the Cricut machine for the cut. Now I'm going to unload it and peel away the outside of the cut. So after the print, I went back to my canvas and separated the image from the offset. Now I'm going to change the offset to a basic cut because the offset will be the flock vinyl. Here I'm going to mirror the offset and cut it on everyday iron-on vinyl. This is the scissor flock that I am using. I got it from Michael's. And there is a shiny side and a matte side. We're going to lay the shiny side face down on the mat. And now I'm going to load the mat into the Cricut machine for the cut. Here I'm just weeding out the surroundings of the offset shape. I'm just lining the image up on the flock vinyl just to see if it's even. In this clip, you just see me prepping the t-shirt. Here I'm just folding the vinyl in half to get a center point to line it up on the shirt. Here I'm laying some butcher paper on top of the vinyl to protect it from the heat, and I'm just pressing it enough to make the vinyl stick to the shirt. Now I'm just putting butcher paper inside of the shirt to protect it from the ink. So now I'm just peeling the backing off of the flock vinyl so I can lay the image directly on top of it, and I'm going to tape it down with my heat resistant tape. Now I'm going to lay butcher paper on top and press at 400 degrees on 60 seconds. I wait a couple seconds and then I peel off the sublimation paper from the shirt. And voila, the image was transferred, but it has like a washed out look to it. Maybe if you was going for the vintage look, this would be okay. But I'm not a fan of this. But I do like the way it feels. It has a real velvety, soft feel to it. And here you can see where I didn't line it up real good. You can see the border around it. And don't get me wrong, this is not the worst I've seen. But I am going to keep trying different vinyls just to see which one works with sublimation. And no t-shirt is finished without my label on the inside. So if you want to see more detailed videos on sublimation, make sure you click the playlist on the screen. See you next time.